Okay. All right. How we doing today, people? Let me see if. Okay, now yes. Let me share to a couple of groups, and then we will get started. And today we're going to talk about the importance of creating and using your own lead capture pages. All right. Now, okay, there we go. So, lead capture pages. Why you need to use your own lead capture pages. Got my notes today, trying to hone my skills a little bit. So, one of the arguments I get when I'm trying to wait a minute, sorry. Now let's see. Can you hear me? All right. Sorry. All right. So, importance of creating and using your own lead capture pages. So, one of the arguments I get when I'm trying to sell my system to people, affiliate marketers, business owners, what have you, they say, "Oh well, my company, they provide us with lead capture pages, default lead capture pages, and that's fine, and I know they do, but my question is, how many people are in your company?" Hey, Cecilia, how many people are in your company? How many people are using that same default capture page? Thank you. And that's the big thing. There are 10,000 people in your company, 20, 30, and you're all using the same default, the capture page, to try to sell the same product. So, don't you think it's best that if you had a way to create your own lead captures and set yourself apart, be different? Because me, I would rather be a zebra in a herd of horses. I want to stand out. I want to be noticed. And so this is what my company it provides. It provides unlimited lead capture pages that you can create, you can share with your company, with your team members, if you wanted. You can even use the system and create for other people and sell them lead capture pages, even websites, because you have the ability to create unlimited capture pages, web pages, blogs. It's great. Hey, Brianna. So, and yeah, I mean, and it works for any business. We all want to capture our leads. And one of the reasons that I got interested in looking into lead capture pages and got with this system, I used to dabble in affiliate marketing years and years ago, and couldn't get the hang of the funnels. Never used them, and it was because of it I failed miserably. Went back to work construction, and then, like everybody knows, I had some health problems, and I have to do something. So, and this is what I picked to be. I went back to affiliate marketing, online marketing, whatever you want to call it. And I started using funnels, and I gotta tell you, it's great, smartest thing I ever did. So, like for new affiliates, when I first came back, I signed up for ClickBank, and I fell for the guru make $500 per sale. So of course, that's the one I bid on. and I sent 5,000 clicks to his capture page, is what it is, and never got a sale. Sent 5,000 more to it, never got a sale. So I said, well, man, what's going on? Because I'm nosy and I'm curious, and I'm gonna look into stuff and I'm gonna find out. So what I did is I went on and I signed up for his program. I put my name, I put my email into his capture page, went to the webinar, and of course I didn't have $1,000 to waste on information that I can get on YouTube anyway for free. Excuse me. So, and at the end of it, they ask you, sign up, pay your $1,000, and then that's it. And so I said, well, okay, so maybe that's why, I'm not getting sales from it, because if you don't have $1,000 that night, there's no sale. I said, but he captured that information. I wonder what happens after that. So the next day I got up and I checked my email, and lo and behold, there's an email from them offering me a better deal, actually a payment plan. So I went on like I was going to pay for it. I scrolled down to the bottom of the page to see who the affiliate was, to see if I was still getting credit for that. And I wasn't. And a lot of the gurus, that's what they do. You got one shot at it. So I said, well, you know what? If I had my own capture page to this offer, those 10,000 people, how many leads would I have gotten? And I could have put them in my autoresponder and sold them, sold them something else. Sold them a better program or what have you. Or even just tried to re-advertise this to them. So that was my thing. So that's when I went on to look for a good system, and my system is what offered it. And for $30 a month, unlimited everything, it even comes with a built-in autoresponder, and it even, if you're not sure about the whole funnel thing, like I wasn't, they'll start you off for $7, and it teaches you all about funnels. So you're learning while you're earning, because you earn a commission through them too. But so yeah, I wanted to just go over that. I think new affiliates definitely need to be capturing their prospects, because you get one shot with these gurus. And like I say, you can make for the more experienced people, you can make capture pages for your team. That's another incentive that you can offer. Say, hey, join my team and we'll give you capture pages that nobody else is using. So it's going to, up your sales. Hey, Andrew, thanks, buddy. So yeah. So there's that. That's a good incentive. That's a good reason to join my program. And like I say, it's $30 a month to be a customer, and if you wanna be an affiliate for them, $54 a month. But they have a great payment. It's almost like an MLM. It's the payment plan is. That's why I joined also. But like I say, you just want to get your feet wet, new affiliates, not sure how funnels really work like I was, join the $7 system. It's one-time payment of $7. You own it for life. You'll learn all about funnels, how they work, and you'll earn. Plus, it allows you to also promote any product that you want. and it automatically puts that into the autoresponder, so it'll promote itself, and it'll promote anything that you're promoting. So that's another good thing. And I want to say I appreciate y'all, and look into it, and I'm gonna put all my information on my Facebook fan page. So what you want to do, you go onto your Facebook, go in the search bar. It's all lowercase letters, all one word. It's Affiliate Influencer 864. Join my page. I'll have my links to my programs. I'll have my links to my YouTube channel. Please join YouTube. Join my channel. Subscribe. Hit the bell. You get notifications when I put stuff up there. It's great. It's fun. Do that, because again, just a reminder to use your business page or your fan page when you're posting about your businesses, because when you do post like business ads on your personal profile, it does go against Facebook's community rules, and you can end up in Facebook jail. So, but also you can post on your fan page and then share it to your profile, and that's all right. That's good. You can do that. Just a little point for you. Just a little, I'm always looking out. So yeah, do that. Again, go to Affiliate Influencer 864. Join my page. Just hit a like. All my information's down there. It's set up as a blog. You'll see all my programs. The program I work in, I always putting up little tips, free little tidbits. I think you enjoy it. It'll help you out. And I think with that, I'm going to wrap it up. If you want more information, you can always message me. You want to talk about it, you want me to further explain it, send me a message in Messenger. You can even call me on Messenger. I'll answer. I know a lot of people don't, but I will because I love this. I love this business, and I can't wait till tomorrow so I can do even more. So with that said, I'm going to cut this, and we're going to get on off here, let y'all go about your business. Get in touch with me. I'm telling you, this is a great program. It's great for beginners. Great for people who's been in the business 30 years. You need this. It's better than most. It's cheaper than most. And I'm telling you, it's a great program. Look into it. Get in touch with me. Contact me. All right, man. And I appreciate everybody watching. Remember to like and share this. Share it to your page for me. Help me out. Trying to grow. Trying to build something here. I love y'all. I mean it. And until next time, peace.